Let's do this lotus watercolor painting. We'll start with the sketching. So the very first color I'm taking is crimson here. I'm taking this crimson, a little vermilion. These two colors I have taken, and yeah, a little water. I'll start from here, leaving a white margin. एक white margin मैं छोड़ते हुए I'm just going for this. इन केस अगर आपका कलर ज़्यादा हो गया, जस्ट टेक अ क्लीन ब्रश, यू कैन पिक द लाइक दिस कलर से आप इस तरह से टेक अ क्लीन ब्रश एंड इस तरह से पिक करके कीप वाइपिंग योर ब्रश, तो आपका जो एक्सेस कलर है वो निकल जाएगा. नाउ द सेम कलर आई एम टेकिंग एंड हियर. Again, I will wash my brush, wipe it with a tissue. You can take a little burnt sienna, and here to this crimson, I am adding burnt sienna. For a darker shade, a little black, थोड़ा black में. For a maroonish color, थोड़ा एक maroon color हमें चाहिए. Add black, or you can even go for Persian blue. थोड़ा मैं Persian blue add कर रही हूँ. Okay, so here to crimson, if you add directly Persian blue, you will get the color. So here, inner area है, the lower area. This leaf is on the top and this area is at the lower part. So just I'm giving a darker shade over here. क्योंकि इसकी shadow इस पे fall हो रही है. So that's it. Now again, I'll wash my brush, wipe it. We will take the crimson color again. Okay, now I'm taking a little dark pigment and let's give a little shade of crimson over here directly. And here also, just I'll go for a little. Wash your brush and just extend it. Let's give a few strokes for the petals like this. Again, let's pick the excess color over here. That's it. Now, okay, the next color I'm taking here is this light green. Let's take the damp brush and spread out the color like this. That's it. The excess you can remove here. यहाँ पे excess है हमारा. Just once take clean brush and remove the excess. Okay. A hint of blue. That's it. Now let's take the blue color. This cobalt blue I'm taking. Here, taking this cobalt blue, a little of Persian blue and a pinch of black. We need a turquoise blue color, so just adding a pinch of black will give you that shade. Okay, turquoise blue and ये वाला जो green है, I'm just mixing it a little. थोड़ा सा ये मैं mix कर रही हूँ to get the desired color. And now next to the petals, let's start giving it. This is the color. Kind of grey you can say, but not very grey. So अगर आपको lighter shade चाहिए, then add more of this water to the same color. मुझे थोड़ा कहीं कहीं पे lighter shade चाहिए, so I'll be adding a little this. I'm taking more of water for a lighter shade. ये कलर हमारे सारे पेटल्स को डिस्टिंग्विश करेगा, अलग अलग पेटल्स को आइडेंटिफाई करेगा हमारे. एंड वन थिंग, मैं सारे पेटल्स में आई एम लीविंग अ काइंड ऑफ वाइट लाइन. wherever you feel like blending, simply damp your brush, clean brush, और ये वाले parts हमारे बिल्कुल stark है, raw है. So what I'm doing, I'm just taking a damp brush and before the color dries, I'm just trying to blend the edges like this. Simply just blend it. हल्का सा एक blending सा, that's it. Like this. The same color I'm using again. This will give an illusion of white lotus. ये हम white lotus बना रहे हैं, तो इसमें हमें थोड़ा सा ये शेड ही देना होगा. I'm taking this darker shade again, and what I'm doing, each and every petal है ना, उसके नीचे थोड़ा सा I'm defining it with a darker shade. Okay. ये grey shade, the same grey shade I will use. एकदम lighter सा हमें shade चाहिएगा, and I'm just defining it. Again I will make the color थोड़ा सा cobalt blue, black, and a pinch of green. That's it. This is the shade that we are using right now. This is the second layer that we are going for, defining the petals, each and every petals, so that हमारे petals defined हो जाए, एक दूसरे से अलग दिखे. The tips थोड़ा सा उनको मैं और डिफाइन कर रही हूँ. I take a mauve shade for this. I'm adding crimson here to the same gray shade. मैं थोड़ा सा crimson ऐड करके यहाँ पे let's go. Okay, so you can see how it has come. Here also a touch of this mauve color. I think that's it. A little darker shade defining this area. Especially the lower parts, we can make more darker to define the petals and even the upper edges. Now I will take golden yellow color and also a fine brush to give the pollens. थोड़े long strokes for the pollens. Center of the flowers, जहाँ हमने थोड़ी जगह छोड़ी थी वहीं पर. Now I will take vermilion and from the lower end of the pollens, जहाँ पे base pollens के हैं, वहाँ से मैं थोड़े से vermilion के strands दूंगी नीचे की तरफ. Now I need a little darker color, so I am taking a grey color. और pollens के टिप पर थोड़े से छोटे छोटे strokes मुझे चाहिए, तो यहाँ पे ग्रे कलर का मैं छोटे छोटे स्ट्रोक्स दे रही हूँ ऑन द टिप ऑफ द पॉलेंस. ये ऑल ओवर टिप पर नहीं देना है, थोड़े थोड़े स्पेस छोड़ते हुए देना है. नाउ आई नीड अ डार्कर शेड ऑफ वर्मिलियन, सो यहाँ पे मैं वर्मिलियन, बर्न सिएना एंड अ लिटिल टच ऑफ ब्लैक, और जो लोअर एंड है बिल्कुल
बेस ऑफ द पॉलन, वहाँ पे मैं उसको थोड़ा डार्कर करूँगी विद दिस कलर। इससे हमारे पेटल्स भी हाईलाइट होंगे।
लिटिल मोर वर्मिंग है, इनको मैं थोड़ा अपर लेके जाऊंगी, जस्ट अ फ्यू मोर स्ट्रोक्स एंड अ फ्यू golden color as well, like this. Again a little gray, defining just a few pollens.
Here again I take crimson and lots of water for the lighter shade. For a darker shade of crimson, I have added a little purple color. Even you can mix a pinch of black. There is this stem coming in front of the lower lotus, so we have to keep in mind and keep the area just clean. Next I take the same light green color. Also remember to add lots of water for a lighter shade. To this petal I am adding the green color on the upper part, और नीचे वाले part में since I need a lighter shade, just water is enough. This lotus is mostly of green color, सारा mostly green color है, so जितने भी petals है mostly on the top part of the petal मैं ग्रीन दूंगी, और नीचे हम इसको जस्ट वी विल कीप इट ड्रॉ, वहाँ कुछ भी टच नहीं करेंगे, सिंपली विथ अ वाटर वी विल ब्लेंड द लोअर एरिया.
I'm taking this dark mauve color and let's give a outline for this. Okay, now we'll make a darker shade of green. So I'll just add this mauve color to this. तो हमारे पास एक dark shade आ जाएगा green का, and let's give some darker areas here. I need a little more green darker. Yes.
The tips of the petals I am doing dark to highlight it. ये डार्क देने से हमारे ईच एंड एवरी पेटल्स हाईलाइटेड हो गए हैं। द लोअर पार्ट हमें ध्यान रखना है कि उसको हम डार्क ना करें, विल लीव इट वाइट ओनली। गिविंग अ फ्यू स्ट्रोक्स विद द डार्कर शेड, creating the texture of the petals. I move on with the bird area. यहाँ पे मैं डार्कर शेड ऑफ पर्पल लूँगी और वो अप्लाई कर रही हूँ। यू कैन सी अ डार्कर शेड ऑफ क्रिम्सन। Wherever there is a lighter shade, I am just applying water and merging it with the darker color. यहाँ मेरा कलर थोड़ा फैल गया है, so what I will do, I am taking a tissue और इसको मैं उसकी हेल्प से ये कलर निकाल रही हूँ। But you have to do this immediately. You can't wait for it to dry. Giving more depth with the darker shade of crimson. Now you can see कि जहाँ पहले हमने कलर किया था it has faded a little. वाटर कलर थोड़ी सी ड्राई होने के बाद थोड़े लाइटर होते हैं. So to give more depth we add another layer of color using a darker shade. You can see I'm just giving the depth all over with a darker color.
For the stem, what I'm doing, I'm taking this green color and with lots of water so that I get a very light shade over here. A very light shade I got, which I'm putting here. Here also same thing. I bought the lower part of this. I'm taking a darker shade of green for the lower part of the bird, जो हमारे bird है उसमें. So here. A little green I have taken. That's it. Now the little lighted green, थोड़ा सा, and that's it. Now I'll go with a darker brown. You can take, that is the burnt umber color, and take the fine brush. Here I'm taking the brown and the violet to make the burnt umber. Or you can even go for the Persian blue. I'm going for the Persian blue and brown for a burnt umber shade. That is our dark brown. You can even mix brown and black. Okay, now. Like this only. This side also I'll do the same thing. And here also we have a darker color at this area. For this, I'm taking this cobalt blue, Persian blue, pinch of, you can take this green. I'll just show you the shade. This is the green that I'm taking. I'm mixing it over here. Okay, so this is the shade. Take lots of water and let me check this shade. The shade is perfect. So see, this is the shade I have taken. This, a little Persian blue as well. So cobalt blue, Persian blue, and green. This is the shade I have taken. Okay, and now I'll take lots of water first of all here. Here's our water. First I'll go for the lighter shade. So first of all, what we will do, let's go for the lighter shade. Okay, so I'll start from here, the upper area. So as we go for the darker shade over here, the lotus will get highlighted. Okay. See, we have a lighter shade over here. जहाँ darker shade होगा ना, मतलब petals के around, so there will leave a white area. वहाँ पे white line छोड़ते हुए चलेगा. Here we have. So I'll just leave a white line and I'll just go for it. तो हमारा highlight होगा, otherwise नहीं होगा. I'm leaving a white line and I'm going like this. Pick up a brush and let's do this area. Okay, I'm taking lots of water. So don't hesitate to take lots of water. See, this is the handmade paper. तो आपको शुरुआत handmade paper से ही करनी होगी. And then you can go for the more professional approach like Canson and Rusto and all. Observe what we have the real area of this water. So whatever area you are giving, you have to leave some white spaces like this to give an effect of water. So a few lines so that आपको लगे कि वहाँ पे पानी है. To this here, I just go for more darker areas. इसको हमें और darker करना है. So let me make the color first. The same shade I'm using. And okay. Pinch of black I'd like to add a little to this area and this area. थोड़ा darkness चाहिए हमें यहाँ.
A touch of green here and there in the water.
Okay, we'll highlight the water. Just I'm taking a darker shade of blue and just below each and every watermark that we have given, just I'm giving a darker shade to highlight it. That's it. And a few here and there as well.
Now we give final touches with the white. I'm taking here white वाइट बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं होता, बट जस्ट टू द टिप्स वेर एवर द कलर्स हैव सिप्ड इनसाइड द पेटल्स। कहीं कहीं पे कलर्स जो है पेटल्स के अंदर चले आते हैं, तो हमें वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा एक फाइनल टच देना होगा। जस्ट वाइट का थिक पिगमेंट हमें लेते हुए डालना होगा। सिंस वाइट इज़ लिटिल ट्रांसपेरेंट ओवर हियर, सो इट डजंट वर्क मच, बट कहीं कहीं पे थोड़ा पिगमेंट ज़्यादा लेते हुए हम जहाँ जहाँ ज़रूरत है थोड़ी हाईलाइटिंग की, ऑल दोज प्लेसेस वी आर गिविंग हियर अ फाइन टच ऑफ वाइट।